Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Works Cited page in MLA format. First, ensure your Works Cited page begins on a brand new page at the very end of your paper. Center the title Works Cited at the top, without bolding, underlining, or italicizing it. Remember to maintain 1-inch margins on all sides and use a standard, readable font like Times New Roman in 12-point size for consistency throughout your document. This foundational setup is crucial for proper formatting. Next, let's focus on formatting individual entries. Every entry must be alphabetized by the author's last name. If an entry lacks an author, alphabetize it by the title. Apply a hanging indent to each entry, meaning the first line starts at the left margin and subsequent lines are indented by 1/2 inch. Double-space the entire page, ensuring consistent spacing between and within each entry. This meticulous approach ensures clarity and adherence to MLA guidelines. Understanding the key elements within each entry is vital. Begin with the author's last name, then their first name, followed by a period. For books or journals, italicize the title, then add a period. If it's an article, enclose the title in quotation marks, followed by a period. Always include the publisher's name and the publication date. For example, a book entry might list the author, then the italicized book title, followed by the publisher and year of publication. Let's look at a quick example. For a book, you'd have the author's last name, first name, then the italicized book title, followed by the publisher and year. For an article, it's the article title in quotation marks, then the italicized journal title, volume, number, year, and page range. Finally, always review your Works Cited page carefully for consistent formatting and accuracy. Double-check that every source you've cited in your paper is present on this page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.